Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to my online class conducted by GST Secondary School, Jamtala, Sharsha, Joshor. You all know that the whole world has been infected with the deadly virus corona. In this situation, the government has been decided to close down all the educational institutions in Bangladesh. But we have arranged online class so that you can carry on your study, stay at home properly. Dear students, it is my kind advice to you that at the time of watching my class, you should be attentive to your class. So, let us start our class. Dear students, I am going to take your class, the class of 10, subject English, second paper. Dear students, now I am going to write 3 sentences. The first sentence, I read your story. Here I am a reader. The second sentence, I can read your story because it is readable. The third sentence, I can read your story easily because it is not unreadable. Dear students, please tell me what I am going to teach you. Do you have any idea about this? Oh yes, your answer is appropriately correct. Yes, I am going to teach you suffix and prefix. Suffix and prefix because read, reader. Read, readable. Readable, unreadable. Dear students, your conception is appropriately right. So, today's topic is suffix and prefix. Suffix and prefix. Before learning suffix and prefix, you have to make or create a clear conception about suffix and prefix. What is suffix? When we use some letters before the root word, it is called prefix. And when we use some letters after the root word, it is called suffix. So, look at the whiteboard carefully. Read. It is root word. Plus ABL. Root word read. Here root word read. and I add able at the end of the root word, and it makes a new word, that is readable. Readable. If I want to add before the root word prefix an, it makes a new word unreadable. Dear students, it is the process of make a new word using suffix and prefix. The chapter suffix and prefix is very important for you. So, it is very necessary to learn how to change or how to make a new word using suffix and prefix. Here, I am writing a structure that will help you to make or to select a right parts of a speech by using suffix and prefix. The structure subject plus verb plus article plus adjective plus noun. In this format, I bought a dash mobile phone. Dear student, listen carefully. In this situation, what kind of parts of speech I have to use here? If we find or if you see it, noun, if the gap before noun, the gap possesses an adjective. So here I have right here cost, cost or cost. Cost, what kind of parts of speech the cost is? It is noun, but I have to use here the adjective form of the noun. So I use here the adjective form. So I have to add after the root word cost ly. It makes the adjective form of the word cost. I bought a costly pen. Here costly an adjective. In another example, I saw a dash tree. Here, what kind of parts of speech we can use here? I saw a dash tree. O-L-D, old, because the word old adjective. So we can learn here, if we find any gap before a noun, we have to use here the form of adjective old. Dear students, in another example, I saw a B-A-U-T-Y, beauty, G-I-R-L, girl. Here, what kind of parts of speech we can use? Please tell me, what kind of parts of speech we can use? Oh yes, your answer is right, because this gap is stated before a noun. So we have to use here the adjective form of the noun. So we have to use here the adjective form. Beautiful. Beauty, noun. Beautiful, adjective. Dear students, I hope you can learn many things in my class. In my next class, I will discuss it elaborately for your betterment. Now, I am going to give you some homework. Number 1, only help you get a number 2, I like him because of number 3, Dear students, I have given here 3 sentences to your homework, for your homework. Book, you have to correct here. Honest, beautiful. You have to correct the sentence using suffix and prefix. Dear students, stay home and study more and more. Study more and more. In my next class, I will appear before you the next rules and next examples. No more today. Allah Hafiz.